In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add more text in a shape. So right over here, I just created a shape here. Let's say it's a shape that has this size, and I just double click here and add some text. Let's say I add this, and now this is outside of this shape. It's really a lot of text, and I want to add the text inside the shape. Well, what you have to do is click on your text, click format, and then go to text options, and here in text options and then text box, here select shrink text on overflow. And if you're doing this, it's really saving you a bunch of time, because you could have click on here, where you'll have to select all and then just click on here, and this would have taken you some time, but I think this is more practical and can help you more. If you go here and just click on here, and now you can select exactly even alignment where you like, top, middle, bottom, which is really nice. Can change the color here, and yes, I have columns, so this is pretty great, and this can save you a lot of time. So